need to put a new battery terminal end on this. We're going to cut this guy right here. And of course, this doesn't want to cut it. I got that end cut. That end was broke right on this one side. So now we're just going to scale this jacket back. Rips that off like that. Now I've got enough good cable there. Now what I'm going to use is a solder type end. And what I need to do is make sure this is a positive one, which I believe it is. Yeah, it is a positive lead. Now, in order to get this to go on there right, so that it's not twisted, we're going to mark this cable. We want this black line at the top, and then we want it right here. And we'll put another line there in case the torch burns that off. So we're going to get Jay to help us here. We're going to almost need two hands to do this. We're going to crimp that like that, and then we're going to come right over here and we're going to set that down in there. Size. Hold on a minute. That's not the right size. Okay, we had the wrong size cable end, but these are all solder types. We want to make sure we have a positive. That one's not a positive. Positive ends. I need a positive 2-aught. Alright, so we had the wrong size cable on. This is 2-aught cable. That's going to fit right in there like that. And we're going to heat it up. I've got to shave a little bit more of this off. So what I've done, Jay, is I've marked the top of that cable, because by the time we come over here with it, we're not going to know where we're at. So this is going to be the top of the terminal, because these only go on one way. So we don't want it twisted, because in due time it's just going to stress that cable out. So I had a pair of vice grips here somewhere. Needle nose. I got to pull some more of this jacket off. I think that's about the jacket I need there, maybe a little more. Okay, crimp them in there. Just crimp onto it like this. That's the top. We're going to heat this up. We're going to heat this end up, alright? And once we get it molten hot, we're going to have to work together and put this on there like that.
Oh, okay.
So
you're just going to solder that right on there then?
yeah, I'm going to solder it on. We got to get some solder and drop in there actually. That one's not a solder type, or not, that doesn't have the the goop in there already. I thought it did. We use these last.
I was just gonna ask, they're gonna be plugged.
No, I mean,
Every time you go get some.
drop some ladder down in there. Alright, we got a puddle of solder in there. We want to get to this while it's hot. Come right over to here. Cool down. Alright, we need to shut this door. Alright, we got to heat it up again. Make this solder molten hot and liquid. I might have got it too hot. Alright, we'll just let that cool. Alright, get some water, Jay. Go ahead and pour it right on there. Grab another one. What was that, soda?
It works, right?
Fucking Mountain Dew. Alright, so we've got that on there. We're going to cool it down some more. Alright, so we've got our new end on here. We've got our new end on here, now we're just going to slap this right onto the battery like that. Set this one on here like this. Grab a 1/2 inch socket, Jay. Wrench, rather. Got my tools. The first one I started with was a what the heck is this? This is a 0. I needed a 2, so I had to grab a 2. Alright, go ahead and tighten them up, Jay.
Okay.
I'll get these tools. There's this torch from here. Alright, so let's see how she starts. Alright, so we've got that taken care of. 2 battery terminal ends. Jay will get them sides on there. We've got the oil leak fixed. This is going on the cow trailer. He's going to get that put on there. Then we got to get a starter put on that truck. Gonna have to get some string and tie them arms together. Is there any string down here?
I don't know if there is.
That looks like it's in good shape.
Yeah.
That dried right up. So pull this pail out of here. Now, Jay's got to put the battery boxes back together here. This tractor needs a little PLC sometime this winter, but we're not gonna worry about it now. Now, these battery terminal ends, I do have solder type. Right there, they already have the solder in them already, so they have the solder in there already. You just heat them up, push them on like we did to that battery cable that we put on there. These other ones, this one here is for a larger cable, 1/0. That's a 4/0. This one you got to add the solder to, just like the one we did, another 4. And then these battery terminal ends, this is a 2/0. This one's for a negative cable, and then the positive cable ends are a little bigger. They work a lot better than these frickin' bolt-on ones. These bolt-on ones are junk, but this style here is just like what you would get on a set of pre-made cables. So, with that being said, Jay's going to get this out of here. We're going to move on to the next project here. So,